Okay, another day, another project. I got this French provincial dresser for 50 bucks on Marketplace, so I'm gonna strip it down to the raw wood look and give it a nice whitewash stain. First, I'm gonna take the drawer pulls out. Oh, I need a bit. I think that one might be a little too small. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love it. Jelly over here. Oh, goodness gracious. I've been out here a while. I've stripped everything, scrubbed it with steel wool and then my drill attachment. Now I'm going to take some steel wool and I am going to just wipe it down with some denatured alcohol and probably come back in and sand the stain on the spots I couldn't get off. Maybe throw some more remover on there. I don't know, we'll see. Here's what it looks like. Time for the denatured wipe down. Stage 2. This is like from the steel wool or something, a bunch of residue left over. Anyways, I'm gonna wipe all these off and sand, do a little more stripping down there. Okay.
Mama, you want my baby?
Power tools.
No, no.
Nice.
Yeah, Mom.
I put more stripper on the piece in the hard to reach places, and he wanted a snack, so we are letting that work its magic while he eats some beef jerky. Can you say beef jerky?
No.
Yes, you can.
No.
I'm using this square sanding pad. That seems to be working pretty good, except when it needs to be changed out. Okay, it has been a lot, but I've got them all sanded down. I'm gonna sand the top one more time, wipe it down, and then do that whitewash. This thing has been a pain in the butt, but it looks so good. I'm thinking I don't even want to whitewash it. I think I just want to seal it in a matte. It looks kind of rustic, and it's obviously French provincial, so it's just really feminine and beautiful. So, gosh, I don't know. I think I'm just going to seal it like this. What I'll do now is clean these.
I think my eye fell out.
There you go. Oh no.
I sure hope not.
This is how you really do it, Dad. That's how you make it.
Okay, here's how the handles turned out.
Yeah. Yeah.
So pretty. But I had to take a break from that because June wanted to make scrunchies. And
Yeah,
she's
I
doing
used this.
so good.
But my
She
mom-
pinned all this, and she's going to make it out of this material for all the friends in her class. Let's see your scrunchies. How do you like them?
Good.
Think they turned out all right?
Yeah.
Who are they for?
Friends in class. Yeah, every girl. Not the boys.
This is the fabric June picked out, and she even sewed them, except for the last couple. I had to take over, huh?
Yeah, because she was getting messy. I mean, you were.
Yeah.
No offense.
There could be crystals in this room. Put on my safety glasses,
I was planning on it. No.
Oh, right there.
No.
I really hope that'd be so cool if I just found these rocks somewhere. That'd be so cool if there are actual crystals in them. Don't touch that. Don't even. I know.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
Oh, yeah, me.
Hi.
Oh, I like that. Oh my. Okay. I wish we met each other at a different.
Oh my gosh. Behind the scenes.